Now, it used to be hard to find an anime game done right, a game that does justice to the subject matter. Well, at least until recent years. We're in a golden age for anime games. That's why we're here at Bandai Namco at E3, because it's time to bring all the heroes together. Jump Force draws on heroes and villains for some of the most influential anime and manga series like One Piece and Dragon Ball Z. And that's just to mention a few. There's going to be lots coming into this game, but that's all we've heard so far. Now, comic publisher Jump has made games in the past that brought together all of their characters, but this time it's all set in the real world, and we're talking places like New York and the Swiss Alps. Bandai Namco is trying to knit together that real world and those anime worlds, so you'll see in the middle of the Swiss Alps a Dragon Ball Z crashed spaceship, some space pods. And now that your favorite anime heroes have reached this world, they've changed a little bit in the process. They're a little bit more gritty, a little bit more realistic. We're not talking hugely realistic characters here, but they're not looking like they did in Dragon Ball FighterZ, for example. It looks a lot like a CGI anime movie, with motion blur and really vibrant backgrounds, really kind of amping up that cinematic feel. I'm not sure if I prefer it to Dragon Ball FighterZ that went for a really heavy-duty cel-shaded look, even though it was made out of polygons. But it does look fantastic, it just might not be for everyone. The demo here at E3 included some of the major names. So we've got Goku from Dragon Ball Z, including his nemesis Frieza. We've got Sasuke, we've got Naruto, we've got Zoro, and we've got Luffy. So a lot of fan favorites there already. And Bandai Namco has a reputation for revealing plenty more characters before a game actually gets here. So what if you like anime, but are not a huge fan of fighter games? You might still be interested with Jump Force. There's lots of moves you can unleash with barely any effort, and they all look fantastic. Now, there might be a deeper game buried here, but at this early stage, at this demo here at E3 2018, it's hard to tell where that high-level play will come in. That said, there's combo breakers, there's defense, there's counter-attacks, there's throws, there's even tag attacks and fates. There's a lot here to bury into. It's just kind of hard to get a handle on it all at this very early stage. Regardless of your skill level, every battle will feel like an epic one. But that starts to desensitize you. It's almost like there's too much of a good thing. That said, I'm looking forward to seeing how the character roster fills out, and Bandai Namco have plenty of time to add more of your favorites. The game is set to launch sometime in 2019, so check back at Engadget.com for our full impressions and stay tuned for more from E3.